Okay, Assalamualaikum. So our group will present about sun level meter measurement. Okay, now let's move to our group members. First is me, Muhammad Ali Birno. Next, Muhammad Ibrahim. Third one is Nurul Izzah Maisara binti Azhar. And the last one is Muhammad Ali Hidayat bin Abdul Rahim. Okay, now let's move to introduction. Noise is a significant health issue causing hearing impairment, cardiovascular disease, sleep disturbance, and psychology problems. In our case, transportation noise disrupts sleep, leading to daytime sleepiness, reduced cognitive performance, and long-term health problems. Measuring traffic noise is essential for understanding its impact and implementing preventive measures.
Next, we move to the objective. Firstly, the objective in the case study is to observe the factors which affect noise level in UiTM Perak campus, traffic or others. Second, to measure the noise level in UiTM Perak campus, indoor or outdoor. Third, to identify whether the noise level is acceptable based on Department of Environment DOE recommendation. Next, we go to material and apparatus. Firstly, noise level meter. Noise level meter is a device that accurately measures sound intensity. This technology produces sound responses that are comparable to those of the human ear and consistently measure sound pressure levels. Additionally, it may display decibel in accordance with the cause and the noise reference, show the decibel level at the base, median, and maximum of scale. Second is 4-in-1 level meter. 4-in-1 meter is a multifunctional environmental meter with the ability to measure temperature, humidity, RH, wind speed using an animator, light intensity in lux or fog candles using a light sensor, and humidity using a built-in sensor or Type K thermocouple. It is appropriate for weather monitoring, HVAC maintenance, and environmental study because it has buttons for power, hold, max or min values, unit changeover, and function toggling. The last one is measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to accurately position the sound level meter in relation to specified point in the room. It is advised to place the noise level meter at least 1 meter from the window and 1.5 meter from the wall for accurate noise level monitoring.
Next, we move to the measurement procedure. This is our case study room. The data collected on June 11, 2024 from 11:40 a.m. to 12:40 p.m. using a noise level meter. Meter position 1.2 meter above ground, 1.5 meter from wall, and 1 meter from window. Noise level recorded every 2 minutes, and door keeps closed, window open throughout the building. Next, we're going to show a little clip of our location. After that, we proceed to our work procedure of the measurement video.
Anabolic beat.
Lah. Cuba dapat sikit main. Okay, go.
After end the procedure, this is the result from data collection, and we will elaborate our data in the discussion slide.
This is the discussion from our report. The first discussion is sound level measurements were conducted using a sound level meter, which enable recording of both the lowest and highest decibel values to assess ambient noise levels. The second discussion is the observation aimed to evaluate ambient noise levels within the case study building, with data collected at 2-minute intervals over a 60-minute period. The third discussion is proper positioning of the sound level meter was crucial, with the device placed 1.2 meters above the floor and 1.5 meters away from walls to minimize erroneous readings caused by reflections from surface. The last discussion from our report is the results show fluctuating noise levels throughout the observation period, with the highest recorded noise level of 68 decibels occurring at 12:16 p.m. during instance of motorcycles passing through, and the lowest recorded noise level of 51 decibels observed at 12:26 p.m. in a quiet room devoid of occupants or disruptive noise.
Now let's move to conclusion and recommendation. So our conclusion is the noise level measurement evaluated indoor and outdoor noise, showing varying levels during loud activities and vehicle traffic. In one case, average noise level exceed local limit, indicating significant noise pollution, especially during rush hour, potentially harming public health. In other case, noise level remain within acceptable limit, suggesting a healthy environment. Swift action is needed to mitigate high noise levels and protect public health. And for the recommendation to improve noise condition, we propose the following changes. Implement record noise regulation and adopt noise reduction techniques. Second is educate the public about noise pollution, health risks, and promote response behavior. Third is eliminate unnecessary noise sources in homes, workplace, school, and hospital. And the last one is develop and enforce tailored noise management strategies through collaboration among local government, community groups, and business. And that's all from us. Thank you.